Hello CMA students, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. So in this video, I will continue paper number 5, intermediate syllabus 2016, set number 2. So third question we will continue here. Joy and Jolly partnership sharing profit and loss account. They keep their books. System, no ready figures are available for the total sales. So no ready figures for total sales are not available here. From the maintaining study, gross 25% on sales. So now we will calculate it here. So if you have any question papers like this, so please download it from me. Already uploaded in my YouTube channel. So please download it and follow this benefit for you. So there is no ready figures for available for total sales and total purchases also to maintain the steady gross profit. So receive the particulars given here, receipts and payments. So cash transactions given here, credit transaction. So now we will find out here. So entire question will be here like this. So outstanding stock in trade 44,000 as of 2017 and 38th 6 2018. So 1 year transactions given here, only cash transactions here. So now we will calculate it. Here. So first of all, we probably required to prepare is trading on profit and loss account statement. So first of all, we calculate 44,600. So that is already given here. So now we will calculate next format is to purchases. So no purchases credit, only no creditors, only payment to the creditors is only cash purchases. So now like this already cash purchases given to discount total purchases calculated by balance figure. So this is the like this balance figure 2,400 is discount and so given here. So I just follow the video completely fully with full attention. You understand clearly. Step by step here. By purchases balance figure 2,16,600. Credit purchases balance brought 46,800. So this will be posted to profit and loss account statement. Bike sales 32,000 given here. So 32,000 sales given here. Sundry debtors account. Debtors. So discount and 2,70,000, balance 70,000. Credit sales 2 lakhs for 32,000 already given here in the credit cash sales here. So 32,000 we calculate cash sales now. Next cash 2,70,000, 2,48,600. So 2,48,600 will be transferred to total is 2,80,800. I hope you understand so far. If any doubts, comment below. 50,000. So here it is closing stock 50,000, stock in trade closing stock 50,000. So next subtractor and as usually upcoming figures 3,30,800. So two salaries 22,000 given the here and outstanding 1,600. So 2,800. So general expenses 19,100. 19,100 discount on the 2,018. So debtors given here. So sundry debtors we give the allowed depreciation 10% or 6,000. Give so furniture 6,000. So net profit account, capital accounts we will combine. So half of the ratio. So partnerships are sharing the profit and loss account equally. There is no need to calculate a new profiting ratio. So this is the trading and profit and loss. No credit transactions given here. So first credit transactions by using the working notes here. So that's why I calculated here. First of all, credit purchases, sundry creditors to cash 2,24,000 already given here. So in the books to payment to the trade creditors, so added here. So 100. So like this we subtract. So I hope you really understand, and balance the figure. This will be transferred to the trading and profit and loss account. So again, same again like this, credit sales also. Opening stock given here. So we find out the credit purchases. So add it. So already closing stock. So subtracted here. So total is 2,10,000 or 1/3 on sales. So on sales. So 2,10,000, 2,10,600. So 5 times 3. So 1/3. So 1/3, that is 7,200. This will be transferred to the gross profit. So 7,200 is the gross profit carried out. Already coming up into the 25% of total sales is 2,80,800. So less cash sales already given in the books. 32,000. So to credit sales is 800. This will be transferred to the trading and profit and loss account. So that's why I calculated here. Understand? Gross profit, provisions and equally. This is a profit and loss account statement. I hope you understand. So next, balance sheet. So here it is. Dolly's capital, house printing liability. So liability is transferred to the balance sheet. So 500 asunder creditors already given in the books. Balance carried out, working notes. So 37,000 is transferred to the profit. So 37,000. So combined 50. So now we will calculate it. This is the capital accounts statement. We will see the capital accounts statement of affairs. Here it is already cash in hand given asset. So asset always transfer to the balance sheet. So simple, 10,800 plus 94,000 plus 40 plus 6,000. 1,54,000. So total credit 1,54,800. So line minus. So 1,08,000. 10,08,000. Sorry, 10,08,000. So here it is 4,000 is more than capital account. So subtracted here. We already have off, but doesn't work here. So calculated 4,000. Dolly's cap for Dolly's. What is the question here given here? Capital, fifth one. Capital of Joyce for 30th June 2017. Capital of Jolly. So more than capital of Jolly. So we need to calculate Jolly's capital. What is the Jolly's exactly capital here? This is really I will. And the work is here. So more than 4,000. Let's assume. So x equal to 4,000. So x, suppose x is you assume for capital for that. So taken the x is an example 4,000. So capital equal to 1,2,700. That is combined capital. So balance figure in the affairs. So we calculate the statement of affairs. 1,10,000, 2 into 2x. So x plus x, so that is 2. So just average subtracted, that is equal to 1,04,000. So x equal to 1,04,000 divided by 52,000. This is the Dolly's capital was 50. So now Dolly's capital was 4,000 was excess. Sorry, more than 4 cap is more than 4 capital of Jolly. Only Joy's capital is, we need to capital is Joy. Sorry, Joy's capital. 2,000 plus 56,000. This will be posted as a added the net profit in the balance sheet. So 6,900, 61,900 for less total net profit and drawings subtracted, and we get 6,000. This is total 1,61,000, 163,100, 1,61,300. Balance is total 500,000 creditors, 61,900 Dolly's capital plus Joy's capital. Jolly Joy and Joy plus. I hopefully confusion, no confusion here. Okay, that will be balanced. On the note, I will finish the question number 3. You understand? Please like, share, subscribe. Now we will continue with the 4th problem here. 4th A. Fourth A is the summarized balance sheet as on 30th June 2018. Wind and Strom, who were the partners for sharing the profit and loss account, 3:2. So from there, repeat again the following questions. Summarized balance sheet on 30th June 2018 was rupees. Wind and Strom of 48,000. Who were the partners sharing on profit and loss account is ratio is 3:2. So write down this question given here and follow the steps. All general entries, ask the question here. So balance sheet and realization account is here. Account to land and prequel 2 lakhs. Any doubts? Comment below. Next, continue here. Balance and just format yourself. Capital accounts, just entry transfer like this. Simple. So particulars in the examination point. Remember it. In exam point of view, you need to make this into point of view. So here it is. Particulars balance sheet. Okay. 2,24,000 is a bank account. So next on the note. So 4th question. So sundry debtors. Just to transfer here. So realization account finally. Strong capital account. Okay. Next 4th question B here in the personal test papers. Just copy, practice yourself and understand easily. Any doubts, comment below. I simply with the spoon feeding working notes here, we can easily understand. So okay, 4th question B also finished. So next, so 5th question B. Truck account, vendor account, goods repository account, true account. So cost of truck here, rate of total cash. Fifth question here also finished. If any doubts of preparing truck account, so comment below. I will mention it, correct or wrong. So goods repository accounts, truck account, vendor account. So need to calculate like this. So now we will finally continue here. So see the 6th question here, also 6th question here. So calculation of one's valuation of stock. So see, write down here 6th question also. So I hope you understand. Follow this answer, we understand. That is the hint. First of all, read 1 or 2 times the question and then follow this answer. Otherwise, you can't understand this problem. Any question. This is the make a habit of every professional students. It's a make a habit. You must read the question. So unsolved like this. 300 minus 4000 is equal to. Gonna stop this like this. So on the note, we finish the 6th question. So on the note, 6th question we finish. So this question 7th one, B. Swaraj is a junior lawyer. So this question will focus in the study material and follow the answer. And but everything will be here. Mr. Anil Roy, junior lawyer, just change the name here. You see the change the name here. And rest of the matter. So answer is just follow this accrual basis, cash basis in the your notebook, institute material. So that question will be also finished here. So next question also, 7th question also, receipts and payments account 7th B A question. This will be calculated. Book same method will be just follow, and any doubts comment below. Preparation of non 213 page number, question 213. You need to practice. Just ask. Just copy. Don't need to ask any questions. You just practice any in the question. Any transaction is doubt. Let's copy. If you don't understand the concept, you can't calculate the problems easy. First of all, you understand the problem topic here. You understand first of all you understand the concept here. So next question here. So this question, so B question, if I occurred 15 September 2018, this will be, so I will show you and practice you yourself. This is the fire of insurance claim, that is second chapter, insurance claim 151. If you don't study the institute material, you can't succeed in the professional examination. First of all, at least 1 or 2 times read the institute material, at least 1 time. My humble request to all CMA students. So sports club, what are the procedure here? We just follow this procedure in the 7th question A. Yourself. No need to take a blind learning. It will be dangerous for you. You need to practice and full attention and practice. This will be benefit for you. No need to take a learning blindly. It will be harm to you. So insurance question here. Question number 7B. So 7th B question. 7th B question. So 7th B question. So 7th B question. I will show you. So this is the question. So if I record of 15th September 2018, so years are changed, but same method will be no change. So just calculate the amount of claim lodged by the loss of stock. This question is like this. %. So same question here. Here it is also 5%. That is cost of is 10%. 5 gone up to 10%. So same question method. So same method of this question. So on the note 7th question B also finished. So just copy. No need to write no need to shoot material. To the just change the years. That's it. From the trading account for the period of 2018 to 2018, 2017 to 2018. So just change the name years, change the years here, and everything will be same. Everything will be amount will be same. If any doubt, comment below. Okay, on the note we finish this 7th question B also. So 8th question also on first one on 1115 machinery was purchased rupees 80,000. On 1117 the additions were made the amount of 40,000 to 31st 3 2017 the machine 2000 costing of rupees 12,200 11,000 and respect and rest of the question we will read it. So this will be find show the machinery account for 3 year ended 15 to 17. So on the date of December 21st. So this question, so theory questions I did not explain here. So read the question as per the student point of view. So read the question. Depreciation question number 20. So this question years are only changed, but some methods are will be changed. Compare this question and question. I will show you clearly. You just make this. So for understand the statement of depreciation. So first of all, book value, find out the book value 80,000. So how many years here? 7 for 6 years, 6 months. Sorry, 6 months. Calculate emissions are purchased from 6 months. 1172 additional measure. So for 80,000 and 6 months here. Here next year 7 months and like this sold and like this and just follow the machinery account and the close the machinery account statement. Close the account. And then we finish the 760 set number 2. I hope you will understand. If any doubts, comment below. So just stay tuned for set number 3. What are the questions in the set number 3 for the financial accounting. On the note, we finish the 2 sets of financial accounting. If new to here, please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned and stay safe. Thanks for watching.